Welcome to all. We have started our online course PGTRB English in Valluvar Vasagar Vattam. We will provide you a materials test batch group discussion in Google Meet. First, let's see the syllabus. Today's class Unit 1 Prose Drama Detailed Study. For detailed study, Dr. Faustus was written by Christopher Marlowe. Let's see the Christopher Marlowe's biography. Christopher Marlowe, also known as Kit Marlowe, was an English playwright, poet, and translator of the Elizabethan era. Modern scholars count Marlowe among the most famous of the Elizabethan playwrights based upon the many imitations of his play Tamburlaine. They consider him to have been the foremost dramatist in London in the years just before his mysterious early death. His plays are distinguished by their overreacting protagonist, Marlowe's anti-intellectualism, and his catering to the purest taste of his Elizabethan audiences for generous displays of extreme physical violence, cruelty, and bloodshed. Dr. Faustus. The tragical history of the life and death of Dr. Faustus, commonly referred to simply as Dr. Faustus, is an Elizabethan tragedy by Christopher Marlowe based on German stories about the title character Faustus. It was written sometime between 1589 and 1592 and may have been performed between 1952 and Marlowe's death in 1593. Two different versions of the play were published in the Jacobean era several years later. Dr. Faustus is an Elizabethan tragedy by Christopher Marlowe. In Dr. Faustus, Marlowe retells the story of Faust, the doctor turned necromancer who makes a pact with the devil in order to obtain knowledge and power. Detailed study. Thomas Kyd. Thomas Kyd was an English playwright, the author of a Spanish tragedy, and one of the most important figures in the development of Elizabethan age. Thomas Hawkins, an early editor of the Spanish tragedy, discovered that Kyd was named as its author by Thomas Heywood in his Apology for Actors. 100 years later, scholars in Germany and England began to shed light on his life and work, including the controversial finding that he may have been the author of a Hamlet play predating Shakespeare's, which is now known as the Our Hamlet. The English dramatist Thomas Kyd is best known for the Spanish tragedy, a play that was a great popular success and did much to influence the course of English tragedy of the late Renaissance. The Spanish tragedy. The Spanish tragedy, or Hieronima, is Mad Again, is an Elizabethan tragedy written by Thomas Kyd between 1582 and 1592. The Spanish tragedy is often considered to be the first mature Elizabethan drama, a claim disputed with Christopher Marlowe's Tamburlaine, and was parodied by many Elizabethan and Jacobean playwrights including Marlowe, William Shakespeare, and Ben Jonson. The Spanish tragedy, a play from the late 1500s, is attributed to Thomas Kyd. This play is also known as Hieronimo, the name of the main character, and is a classic example of a revenge tragedy. The Spanish tragedy can be seen in Kyd's theme of murder and revenge, the presence of the ghost, and the bloody trail of events. The next topic is The Alchemist, was written by Ben Jonson. Let's see the Ben Jonson's biography. Benjamin Jonson was an English playwright and poet. Jonson's artistry exerted a lasting influence upon English poetry and stage comedy. The fact that Jonson was buried in an upright position was an indication of his reduced circumstance at the time of his death. Ben Jonson was an English playwright and poet, best known for his satiric comedies. Ben Jonson known Shakespeare. He said he loved him, I loved the man, and do honor his memory. This side idolatry as much as any. He wrote in 1619, 3 years after Shakespeare's death. He also falsely criticized Shakespeare's plays, especially Julius Caesar. He wrote more than 20 masks for the court, including the Mask of Blackness, in which Queen Anne herself performed in 1616. Johnson was named England's first ever poet laureate. Let's see The Alchemist. The Alchemist is a social satire which transcends the Jacobean London period to our age. Let's see the Alchemist themes. The centrality of personal legends. According to The Alchemist, personal legends serve as the only means by which an individual can live a satisfying life. The unity of nature, the danger of fear. In the first scene, in Alchemist, Benevolent Ivel 58, subtle claim to have taught Face the art of alchemy. The main plot of The Alchemist takes place in the Spanish pastures, the Spanish town of Tarifa, the city of Tangier in North Africa, and the Sahara Desert. In next class, we will upload you a video on Unit 2. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel PGTRB Tamil Inya Kannan.